Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a closet clean out. I feel like I haven't done one of these in so long. My closet is bad. I've been wanting to do one of these for so long, but the last couple months have been so busy. Now that things are kind of back to normal and back into my regular routine, I finally have time to do some cleaning and organizing. My closet is just so stuffed. I really need to go through there, get rid of some stuff just for the sake of the weight on the racks because they're like about to snap. I need to go through it. I need to get rid of stuff. I've been out of hangers. I just feel like it's a chaotic mess in my closet and I do not thrive in a mess. Whenever my physical space is disorganized, I feel mentally disorganized and stressed as well. I think mentally I've just been feeling so disorganized and stressed. I don't know if it's just me, but once I feel stressed about one thing, it's like a domino effect, and then I feel stressed about everything, and then I start overthinking. It's just not a good feeling when you're not in your best headspace. I think it's really important to take some time to do what you can to improve that. That actually brings me to the sponsor of today's video, which is BetterHelp. I really love BetterHelp. They just make everything so easy. Therapy is a great way to get things off your chest if you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed. When I'm feeling overwhelmed or stressed, all I want to do is just vent to somebody, have somebody listen. Personally, I can get really caught up in overthinking, comparing, literally just spiraling in stressful thoughts, which can really weigh me down. Literally just one insecurity or thought can just make my mind go crazy. Having someone to simply just listen can be very beneficial, especially someone that's actually licensed to give you feedback. BetterHelp connects you with a licensed therapist. First, you go to their site. You can use my link, betterhelp.com/EmilyGrace. I'm gonna have it here on the screen and also linked in the description, so you can just click that link. You just answer a few questions and BetterHelp will match you to a professional who has years of experience helping people with the same struggles as yours. What I really love is that you can do it all from your phone or your computer, so it's super convenient. You just video chat or message, whatever is most comfortable. I love that you don't actually have to leave your house or go anywhere. It's literally the easiest way to get started with therapy. Let BetterHelp connect you to a therapist, all from the comfort of your own home. Visit betterhelp.com/EmilyGrace. I'm also gonna have that link below at the very top of my description, so you can just click that link if you want to check out BetterHelp, or you can choose Emily Grace during sign up and enjoy a special discount on your first month. Definitely check out BetterHelp. It's a great way to get things off your chest and have someone listen to your thoughts and feelings and just feel better about the things that you're struggling with. I definitely recommend click the link in my description to check out BetterHelp. I'm actually really looking forward to cleaning it out today. I feel like I'm very motivated to get rid of stuff because I can't stand it being so stuffed and cluttered anymore. I'm actually going to be doing a Poshmark live show here very soon, like at the end of the month. Definitely stay tuned for that. If you're not following me on Poshmark, definitely make sure to follow me on Poshmark. Since I'm doing that at the end of the month, I need to find some stuff to actually sell on there. I want all the stuff that's gonna be in the show to be like the best of the stuff that I have on Poshmark. I'm gonna try to really only keep things that I've worn recently, that I see myself wearing. Anything that's just not my style anymore, I just wanna get rid of and have it not taking up space. That is the plan. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully you find it motivating. Definitely give it a big thumbs up. Comment below if you'd like to see a whole cleaning and decluttering my whole apartment. I did one of these back in the spring and I'm kind of feeling like doing another one. Definitely let me know if you guys would like to see that. Let's just get into it. I want to show you guys what we're working with. I want to show you a before. Here is my closet before. You can see the racks are just really stuffed, really full. I have a whole bunch of folded clothes under the hanging clothes and it's just a bunch of like old sweatpants and stuff. So really want to go through those. I have a bunch of shorts and skirts kind of stuffed under there. I have a lot of jeans. I know it's crazy. I wear jeans like every day. I kind of go through phases of like liking different jean styles. I definitely have like 3 or 4 favorites and I don't wear all of these. So I definitely want to go through these and maybe find some to get rid of. My sweatshirts. Gotta go through the sweatshirts. I have a whole bunch of sweatshirts in my closet hanging. I also kind of want to go through my purses. I have a whole tub of like purses. And then I also have a storage tub with opposite season bottoms. So I have like all of my shorts and I'll usually kind of switch it out for like sweatpants and stuff. I haven't switched it out yet for the spring and summer. I usually will kind of organize my dresser with this. So right now this is all like sweatpants and like winter pajamas and stuff. I think that's pretty much everything. That's kind of what I'm starting with. That's what everything looks like. I'll definitely show you what it looks like afterwards so we can kind of compare the before and the after. I like to start with everything that's actually hanging in my closet. I feel like that's like the bulk of everything. I like to kind of just bring it out in sections and sort through it. That's where we're gonna start. Here's the first section, all of the black and gray. I know, I have a lot. This is ridiculous. I feel like a lot of my clothes are neutral, so I have a lot of black and gray and white tops. So we're just gonna start with these. I have a lot of basic black tops. This one is ribbed. Okay, I feel like I don't really wear this one. It's like a looser. They're both from Brandy Melville. I know I have a problem. This is why I'm going through my closet. This one is like really thin and I feel like it's also kind of like loose. This one's from Zara and it's like a knit material. I don't think I've worn this. I think I've gone through this in like 3 or 4 closet cleanouts, and for some reason I just can't part ways with it. it might be time to say goodbye. I haven't worn it like in years. I like all these black loose shirts, especially on like big tan days. Okay, now we're getting into the black long sleeves. I feel like I haven't worn this a lot, but it is kind of a good basic. Anything that I haven't worn, I'm just gonna set aside. I do not need both. I feel like I'm doing kind of good. It's a decent amount to get rid of. This is when I have to ask myself, do I have a problem? I'm keeping all of these. I don't know what it is, but I don't think I really love this one. I think I'm gonna put this away for winter. Oh, I forgot about these. I kind of feel like I'm not gonna ever wear this. I don't know why I thought I would wear this color. I actually really like this. I kind of feel like this fits weird. I also feel like this fits weird. Try that one too. I used to love this cardigan, but I don't think I wore it at all. Like this spring. Just try it on. I've had this for 2 years now and haven't worn it. Don't think I wore it this year. This is kind of cute though. Maybe I'm just gonna try it on. Didn't wear it this year. My rule is like if I haven't worn it in a year, I feel like I need to get rid of it. Like this is cute, but I also feel like it's not my style. Haven't worn this in a while. The earrings were pretty successful. I got rid of a lot of green top. We're getting into the colorful tops. I feel like this is really cute. I haven't worn it yet, but I did just get it. It used to be my favorite, but I think it might be time to let it go. I feel like I'm much more likely to grab this shirt. It's basically like the shirt I have on, the Skims top. I feel like this kind of t-shirt is just more my style than this one with the little ties. I don't know, I might get rid of this. I do like this one, I think. I don't think I wore this year. This is so soft though, and it's really like nice in the spring, like when you want to wear a pastel, but it's like kind of still cold out. I might just try it on. I have had this for so long, but you never know when you might go to a Royals game and I don't have to go buy a shirt. So I literally just hang on to this thinking that I might go to a Royals game. Like if I got invited to a Royals game, like you can't go wrong with the shirt that says Royal. I continue to keep it. You know, the second I get rid of it, I'm gonna get invited to a Royals game. I don't know how this got mixed in with the blue. I don't know if I'd wear this. I love this purple. Don't really have a lot of purple tops, so I might keep this one. I also feel like I haven't worn this. Same with this. I don't know, it's kind of cute. Every closet clean out, I think about this shirt. I feel like it's just a weird color for my complexion, but I love the style of this. Maybe I'll try it on. I never wear these jackets. I have one of these jackets in like a bunch of colors, and every closet clean out, I'm like, no, I'm gonna wear them, and then I never wear them. I might have to get rid of this. This is kind of fun, but I feel like I don't really wear it much. These are actually some shirts that I pulled out during the last closet clean out, and I was like, if I don't wear them by the next closet clean out, then I'm just gonna get rid of them. And I kind of hung them at the front of my closet. Some of them haven't necessarily been like the right season. I'm just gonna kind of go through them. I feel like I just never gravitate towards wearing a V-neck. I feel like these are like too cropped. You guys saw how many gray shirts I have. I might have to continue to like keep this in a separate section. I think I am gonna keep most of those. A lot of these shirts I do really like this one. Probably don't need both of these. They are different colors. Now we've got some tank tops. This little tube top. I feel like I never wear tube tops. This one is kind of cute. Okay, I don't think I would wear this. I don't think I have worn this. For some reason, I feel like this doesn't fit me very good. These pants are really cute, but I haven't worn them. I've had them for a little while and I haven't worn them. I think I'm just gonna get rid of them. This skirt is really cute, but I think I've had it for 2 years and I haven't worn it. So I think I'm gonna get rid of it. This dress is super cute, but it's like too small. I really like it. I might give it to my sister because it's so cute, but it's just like, I can barely zip it. I kind of want to go take Instagram pictures in it even though it's small. This is super cute. I wore it for my sister's bridal shower. This dress I think is too small. I can't zip it. Actually wearing this to a wedding next weekend. I think I'm gonna keep all of these actually. Here's everything I found to get rid of. I feel like that's actually quite a bit for just the hanging section. That is pretty much everything that's actually hanging in my closet. I feel like I actually did get rid of quite a bit. Now I'm gonna go through the sweatshirt. It's the last bit of anything hanging in my closet. Next, I'm gonna go through all the accessories. This tub is full of purses and bags. This one is cute. This I just used at my sister's wedding. There's been times that I've needed like a little white bag. I feel like this red one is also cute in the fall, like in the summer. The pop of red is cute. I've had this for a while and I haven't used it, so I think it's time to get rid of this. I do feel like this orange would be really cute, like around like Halloween, like in the fall. I feel like it might be time to say goodbye to this. I feel like the style is just very 2020. The nylon, the little chain, the crossbody. I actually think I like this nylon bag better. I don't think I've ever used this bag. I might get rid of it. Feels lighter. This is everything that was sitting on the shelves under the clothes. I kind of want to get some of the stuff in the drawers, but I also have this tub of opposite season stuff to put in the drawers. That tub is full of like some shorts, some summer kind of like pajamas, some sweat shorts, lounge shorts, I don't even know. Mostly it's all bottom. I'm gonna put that tub of like opposite season stuff in the drawers and then take what's in the drawers, which is mostly sweats, and put it in the tub. But then I also want to find like a home for all of this. Some of it could go back in the shelves, so I just kind of need to sort through all of this and reorganize it into the drawers. First, I'm actually gonna go through the tub and see if I still like everything that's in the tub, if it's stuff that I think I'll actually wear this season, if it's stuff that I didn't even really wear last year that I don't see myself wearing. There's no reason to find a spot for it. I really have no idea what's even in here. I feel like I'm pretty much gonna have to just try on all of my shorts. My body has changed since last year and I just don't know how these are all gonna fit. And I know I have a lot of shorts, okay? I wear denim like every day. I just love shorts, I love jeans. I'm always changing the style I like. It is a little bit later. I just tried on all of my denim shorts and some of the sweat shorts as well. These are the ones I found to get rid of. Now I'm ready to organize the dresser drawers and put the denim shorts in the dresser and take some of the winter pieces out. That's what I'm gonna work on now. I think I've gone through everything on my list. This is everything that I'm getting rid of. I feel like this is quite a bit. Definitely more jeans than I expected. I think I'm pretty much done. I feel like I did clear a decent amount of space, like in my closet, like in the hanging section. That was pretty much my goal. And then also to get some more hangers. And I feel like I definitely did accomplish that. And then I just wanted to organize the drawers for summer, which I feel like I also did. I think that is pretty much everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and got some motivation if you're needing to organize your closet and declutter. and clean it out. I feel a lot lighter after doing this. Definitely thumbs up if you did enjoy and if you'd like to see more decluttering videos on my channel. Comment below your best decluttering tip or an area of your closet or your room that you need to declutter. Definitely make sure to check out BetterHelp. Go to betterhelp.com/EmilyGrace or click the link in my description. You can have someone to vent to, talk to, and give you unbiased licensed feedback about what you're struggling with. Therapy is a great option if you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, anxious. Those are all things that I can feel sometimes. Definitely recommend checking it out. It's like the easiest, non-intimidating way to start therapy. Thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video.